Abnormal snoring can be loud and disruptive, and might signal issues like sleep apnea. Common causes include nasal congestion, obesity, or jaw positioning. Treatment depends on the root cause. We offer easy-to-use jaw positioners and anti-snoring appliances that can help. Welcome to Dr. Chaudhary's Orthodontic Hub. Dr. Chaudhary's Orthodontic Hub, Rajapet, Amravati. Get your dental and jaw assessment for your snoring condition done.